In the past 5 years, Haryana has recorded a staggering 2008 cases related to illegal immigration, leading to 1,917 arrests and the recovery of over 26 crore rupees. The alarming surge in migration has become a significant issue, as acknowledged by Parliamentary Affairs Minister Mahipal Dhanda. He did this in a state assembly. The matter gained a lot of traction during discussions on calling attention notices presented by the state MLAs of India. The recent deportation of Indian nationals from the United States further highlights the gravity of the situation. In February alone, the US deported 333 Indians on 3 separate flights. The first flight on February 5th carried 104 individuals, including 33 from Haryana. The second flight on February 15 repatriated 116 Indians, with 34 from Haryana, and then the third flight on February 16 brought back 112 Indians, out of which 44 were from Haryana. Among these 332 deportees, the highest number, 126, was from Punjab, followed by 111 from Haryana and Gujarat, and 21 from other states. Following these deportations, Haryana authorities have taken strict actions, registering 35 FIRs linked to the 111 deported individuals from the state. This crackdown led to arrest of 12 illegal immigration agents and recovery of 35.31 lakh rupees from them. Minister Dhanda emphasized that along with legal migration, cases of illegal migration via the donkey route have significantly increased. The desperation of individuals eager to move abroad, combined with lack of awareness of immigration law, has made them very easy target for exploitation by fraudulent agents. Deportations of Indian nationals from the United States is not recent development, by the way. Between 2009 and February 2025, a total of 15,800 plus Indians have been deported from the US. Minister Dhanda noted that this is not just a problem that is confined to Haryana, but extends to Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, and several southern states. Agents operating in these states facilitate illegal migration through multiple transit countries before individuals attempt unauthorized entry into the US or even Canada. Investigation and testimonies from deported individuals reveal a common pattern. Many migrants initially travel legally on any work or tourist or student visa also to the destinations like Dubai, Spain, Mexico, the Netherlands, Singapore, and Thailand. From these locations, they then attempt to cross into the US or Canada illegally using the donkey route. Recognizing the severity of the problem, the Haryana government has implemented strict measures to crack down on fraudulent immigration network. In May 2020, the Special Investigation Team was set up under the Inspector General of Karnal range to dismantle these particular networks. In April 2023, another SIT under the Inspector General of Ambala range was formed, comprising the SPs of Ambala and Kathial. Their mission is to investigate fraud cases related to illegal migration and take stringent action against those who were offenders. DSP rank officers have been designated as officers in every district to closely monitor illegal immigration cases fraud. Additionally, the Haryana government has drafted the Haryana Registration and Regulation of Travel Agents Bill 2025. This particular bill aims to establish a transparent and accountable framework for travel agents, curb fraudulent activities, and safeguard the interests of Haryana residents. The bill is expected to be introduced in the ongoing Legislative Assembly session. Authorities also ensuring that deported individuals receive proper support upon their arrival. Safe transportation to their hometowns have been arranged, along with medical checkups, psychological counseling, and temporary assistance to help them reintegrate into the society. Minister is also taking care that while strict legal actions is being taken against fraudulent agents and middlemen involved in illegal migration, the government is also focusing on public awareness campaign. These efforts aim to educate citizens, specifically the youth, about the severe risk associated with illegal migration and encouraged them to opt for legal and safe pathways instead.